If you can cook, you must know his name, especially in Anfang's home, which loves Sichuan cuisine. There must be a bottle of Douban sauce. Before making Douban sauce, workers soak soybeans in a pool, introduce live water through a pipe, clean soybeans with the power of rubbing and running water between the beans, and then soak them for 11 to 14 hours. Then open the scale and drain the water above the soybeans. There will be a dryer. It can reduce the excess water on soybeans to a certain extent. These soybeans will be slowly transferred to the large steamer with the funnel. The whole process requires steaming for 60 minutes and stewing for 20 minutes. The workers pour the steamed soybeans out of the steamer with a cart. At this time, the soybeans have been completely cooked, and the color gradually turns light brown. The rich flavor of soybeans will also be reflected at this moment. Then it is placed in a ventilated place to cool. The workers push the cooled soybeans into the brewing room, add distiller's yeast and flour to mix them evenly, and lay all the processed soybeans on the workbench. After 3 days of fermentation, the workers poured soybeans into the pottery pot and added special brine boiled with various spices into it. After soybeans and brine were fully mixed, the workers sealed the pottery pot for fermentation. During the fermentation process, the temperature in the pottery pot can soon rise to about 40 degrees Celsius. Workers need to stir the bean paste on the surface layer and the bottom of the tank evenly every 5 hours. Such color will gradually turn reddish brown with the growth of fermentation time, but about 4 to 5 months later, workers pour the fermented bean paste into the mixer, and then pour pepper paste and sugarcane syrup. Then the workers on the other side began to disinfect the glass bottle through the mixing of the machine, and then transferred it to the lower part of the watering machine. Under the control of the machine, the bean paste was evenly poured into the glass bottle, and then a layer of vegetable oil was injected on it, so that the bean paste could be preserved for a longer time. Finally, it was covered and sterilized at high temperature. A bottle of bean paste is finished.